Hi friends, today I am with a Titan's new smartwatch which is Titan Celestor and it comes under the brand of Titan smartwatches. So let's check out the video with the unboxing and all the features what the smartwatch offers. Now talking about the box, it comes with a pretty big boxing. It looks pretty premium from the box. On the side it is written it is water resistant, up to 7 days of battery life and optomechanical crown. It also comes with the 3.6 centimeter AMOLED display, built-in GPS, and it comes with the ABC which is altimeter, barometer and compass. The price written on the box is around 10,000 and we will see the final price later on. In the box, as you can see, there is a watch. It looks pretty premium. The name of this color is the Moonlight Edition. The other two colors are Black Eclipse and Aurora Blue. These are the three colors which will be available for this smartwatch. Now as you can see, the premium boxing is definitely there. There are some paperwork also which you can go through. It comes with the user manual and also a quick start guide, and there is also a warranty card. So these are the few things what you are getting inside the box. And there is a charging cable. This charging cable comes with one side pogo pin charging cable and another side is the normal USB port, and I will show you how it will charge. Once you plug it into one side and the pogo pin charger in your smartwatch, it will show Titan Smart. Once it is done, your watch is ready to pair. Here we are getting the optomechanical crown with the logo of Titan also engraved in that. There is also one multi-sports button in the bottom end. The speaker is on the other side. Here you can see this is a round dial and it comes with the 3.6 centimeter AMOLED display. So we will talk about that later on. It has a 750 nits of brightness. If we flip the smartwatch, on the back end we are getting the mic. It is between the crown and the activity button, in between of them, and the pogo pin charging slot is in the top. The smartwatch comes with the 3 ATM rating, which means that it can stand up to the pressure up to 30 meters of depth, so you can do swimming with this smartwatch. And if the pogo pin charger is not getting attract the magnetic, then you have to just flip it. You have to download the Titan Smart World app. It is available both on Android and iOS. Once you go inside the app, you need to give some permission even for battery optimization also. Just have to be a little patient. It will ask for mobile number and will do the OTP. After that you have to scan the watch. Once it is done, it will show that there is a firmware update is awaited. So you should have a proper internet connection to do the firmware update. If it is stuck in between, it may face the problem. For device notification, you have to switch it on. You have to wait for a few seconds and give the permission. Now here I will show you nearly all the apps including WhatsApp, X, Facebook. All the apps you will get the notified on your smartwatch, which is a great thing. So this is how you can do that. After that there is a auto HR, auto stress, Google Fit Connect. These all things I have done in my previous videos also, which I will link on the later on. You can see, check. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will help you definitely. And all the features in the settings I will definitely tell you guys to check it on. Even also update your GPS. It will take some time, but it will give you the accurate GPS once it is logged. Then there is few more things including the battery optimization and all. So currently I have shown all the settings what comes in this app. Even you can do the find my watch. Once you click that, here your watch will start making noise and also vibrate at the same time. Now if you go to the watch faces, you will get hundreds of watch faces. I have shown you earlier also. I will also show you how you can install the watch faces. Once you go to the home page, you can see all the health data records and also the music for you. These are the few different musics and some articles also. You can save them, bookmark them. These articles are definitely useful and medical related articles. Now the watch is available on the Titan store and also on the online store. Here you can take out the straps very easily and replace them with the other straps from it. So this is very easy, which I am showing you. You guys can also do that. It is not a big task to do that. So this is how you can install the strap and also replace with the new strap. Now this is a minor changes in the step distance, SpO2, heart rate. This is after wearing the watch. I'm just showing you on the home screen. And the smartwatch also supports Starwa, so you can get all the Starwa features in this smartwatch. If you want to install the watch, it is very easy. It will take some time, but definitely remember that you need a proper internet connection. This is a proper watch face where I will show you how it works. Currently the watch face, as you can see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 all are given already, so the time is given. Now I just showed you how the heart rate sensor will work. This is the multi sports. It supports 100 multi sports and there is weather. These are all the things. If you swipe from left to right, now if you swipe from the bottom, you can see all the notifications what I got. And if you swipe from the other side, here you will get all the highlights, which include the music, the recent app, which includes the stress. If you wanted to calculate the stress, just press start. It will take around 16 to 17 seconds and your stress meter will show you what is the stress count right now. Then there is elevation. This is and also it comes with the atmospheric pressure, which we will talk about later. And there is SpO2. So if you press the start for SpO2, it will take 19 seconds and give you the result. Nearly 98% or more than 90% is good for SpO2. If you have any case of emergency, I will definitely recommend you guys to go and check up with a doctor. If you swipe from the up, here you will see the battery percentage and also connected with the phone. The first option, we are getting the DND mode. Then there is the call setting mode. You want to get a call alert off or on. Then there is a power saving mode, low power mode. You can switch it on and off. Then there is a brightness mode. Here you can increase or decrease the brightness. And after that, if you go back, let me go back also. So if you go here, there is a lift to view. You can switch it on or off. I will recommend it to on. And there is always on display is also on currently. Now in the middle screen you have a sound of alerts. Then there is a setting button and there is SOS for siren and emergency. I hope that you don't have to ever use that. Then there is a direct option to go to the camera. You can find your phone also using this. Then if you went for a swimming pool, you can eject water. If you press that, then there is a press and hold your crown for some time and it will start ejecting the water. You have to press the crown on the downwards and shake it. So if the water is there inside the watch, it will come out. Then there is layout. There are 3 types of layout. I will show you that later on. And this is the activity mode and you can see the GPS is already active in this. Now if you press the crown, if you slightly press, it will go to the main menu. If you long press, then it will show you restart or power off. So these are the options you will get. This is the activity mode button. If you press it, you will go directly into the activity multi-sport activity mode. And if you press it for longer, you can go directly to SOS or emergency call. And if you press on the dial for a long time, you can see all the options available for the watch face. So currently I am sticking with the by default watch face what is coming with the smartwatch. Now going to the settings, there are some options. I will definitely change the view. So here is how to change the flow list. So currently I went with the list because it is much more easier. This is the fitness where calorie burns and steps I have taken, it will show. Then there is multi-sport, and in multi-sport they have too many sports which I will definitely not go and not show you. It have the sports record. There is steps, how many steps I have done for the day. Heart rate I have already shown you, the heart rate, how you can measure it. Then there is a sleep measure, stress measure, there is also breath measure, there is alarm, phone. I will show you the phone, how the call is coming, what is on the screen, how can you do that. I will show each and everything later. There is timer, stopwatch, there is SpO2, I have shown you that also. The highlight of the smartwatch is the ABC, which is altimeter, barometer and compass. For compass, to get it you have to calibrate it, and once the calibration is done in the shape of 8, you can see the compass. This is the altimeter, and there is also barometer. So it is definitely one step ahead of all the previous smartwatches what Titan has already launched. Then there is a flashlight. Let me go back again. After flashlight, there is camera. I will show you how it works. Music, you can change the music songs while playing. So it is just will act as a player, and it will skip play to the next song or may control the volume. This is only it can do. Now after that, you can see there is world timer. You can add multiple places in there. Then there is find phone, which I will show later on. Going back to the settings, there is notification. If you want to see the unread indications, DND switch on or off during the multi sports. You can also switch it on or off. I'm talking about the phone settings, incoming call alerts on or off. Then talking about the layout, we have shown you the flow list, and there is also grid. Now I will show you the grid one. This is how the grid will look. Let's go to the settings back again. Once we are back, I will show you into the list mode only. Then there is display, where you can increase the display. There is auto dim in the night, there is always on, lift to view, and screen on time. So I am just putting it for 60 seconds so that while shooting it will not go dark. Then sounds, you can change the sound vibration. I am putting into strong, and the crown haptics is also there. While you are using the crown, the haptic will indicate you. Then there is reset option, power off option. These are the basic options what you are getting in the smartwatch. Now talking about the Bluetooth calling, I will show you that. So if the call is coming, here you can see there is only two options: to pick the call or to disconnect the call. So if you pick it, then there is an option to mute it, to put it in loudspeaker, or you can switch directly to the number pad, or you have an option to disconnect the call. These are the basic options what you are getting with the smartwatch. You don't have a quick text reply option in this smartwatch. If you want to find your smartphone, it is very easy. Go to find my phone, press it, and here you will see the notification, and also music will start buzzing and the vibration of the phone will start. So this is how you can find your phone. Now using the remote camera, you have to switch on the camera app on your smartphone. Once it is done, it will only click your pictures, and you can switch off the timer also. There is a slight timer of 3 seconds, and there is, you can switch it off by pressing this, and you can click, the image will be directly clicked. So this is how you can take the picture. Now coming back to Titan Celestor, this smartwatch is made for those who love to do adventure sports, and this is basically for the altimeter, barometer, compass. All the features are included in this smartwatch. This is one of the premium category. For the battery life, the company is claiming that it will last up to 10 days. It weighs around 13 gram. It has a display of 1.43-inch AMOLED display, and it comes with the 750 nits of brightness. Now talking about the price point, it comes for 9,000 available in the market. 9,000 or 10,000, this is the price what is available, and it will be coming in 3 colors. Moonlight edition what we got for review. Then there is a black eclipse and aurora blue. These are the 3 colors which are available in the market. This is all about the Titan Celestor. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.